Good morning, students of class 9. In this part of the video, we will switch over to your new topic, that is elementary concepts of object and classes. In this chapter, we will learn about objects, class, more on objects, and class as a basic for all computation. Everything is an object. In a simple terms, you can say that visible or can be touched things is an object, exists in abstract form or towards which some action can be performed, that is called object. For example, dog is also an object and car is also an object. Any identifiable entity with some characteristics and behavior of its own, you can term it as an object. You are surrounded by many objects. An object in the real world can be anything, can be seen or tangible, any place or an event, any person, anything that can be represented intellectually. See here. Dog characteristics are its color, its breed, its height and weight is a characteristics of dog. And what is the behavior of a dog? Barking, jumping or wagging tail. Objects in software are used to model real world objects you find in everyday life. Take the example of a mobile. Characteristics of mobile is its model, dial pad and applications which are installed in mobile. And what is the behavior of a mobile? It is used to talk, it is used to browse the internet, and it is also used for net surfing. A book can also be considered as an object. The data variable can be book number, title of the book or price, and the operations and the method can be purchase of a book or display details of a book or calculate discount. As I had told you that anything which is tangible, you can consider it as object. Objects interact and communicate with each other using methods. In software term, methods calls are normally considered as object. For example, a book object asks the student object for the title by sending its message, and the student object return the title back to the book object. This is a way to establish a communication between two objects. An object can ask another object to perform an action by sending its messages. The requesting object is referred to as sender and the receiving object is referred to as a receiver. And all of you already know that group of object is called class. A class is a group of objects that share some common properties, relationships and behavior. A class is used by keyword class. A class is an object factory, or you can also consider it as a blueprint. A class accepts value for the data members in the class and creates the object. The object factory determines if the values are valid or not. In actual program, memory is allocated to objects, not for classes. For example, apple, orange and mango, they all are objects, but they all belongs to class of fruits. Thank you.